Hello, today you're looking at a SASSC 500 amp 6 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions of this unit, 42 inches long by 38 inches wide by 52 inches high. Has been tested and gone over. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second. Unit is wired for 460 volt 3-phase. It does not have a remote, but we can have this remote built and added to it for an additional charge. Has digital meters on there. Very nice brand new remote if you are needing one of those as well. We'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it in operation. Check out the ripple wave over here quick. If you're interested in this SASSC rectifier, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.